Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be an unboxing or a bag reveal, and I'm sure you already know what that bag is by the name of the title of this video, but I'm so excited. This is a bag that I've wanted for literally years. It came out in late 2011, I believe, and I'd had my eye on it literally since then. I've had this bag on my radar for about 4 years and I've wanted it so badly, but A, it's hella expensive and I just could never bring myself to buy it. But this year, I was turning 30, or I just turned 30 on Christmas Eve, and you know what? I needed to splurge. I wanted to just congratulate myself, and I really wanted to do something for myself. But since I've wanted it, I decided that on Black Friday, I was going to make it mine as a happy birthday, welcoming my 30th year, blah, blah, blah. And I saw it on sale, but this was a discount that I felt comfortable biting the bullet. I rarely saw this bag go on such a sale, so I decided to just treat yourself. If I'm not gonna buy myself the bag, literally no one ever would, so I decided to just, again, treat yourself. Okay, before I get into the actual bag reveal, etc., if you are someone who doesn't like luxury goods, if you don't believe in spending a lot of money on stuff, if you think it's a waste of money, if you get easily offended, I would just say exit this video now. It is a luxury bag reveal. Leave all that judgment, etc. Like, that way, I ain't got that kind of time. I wanted to congratulate myself on my 30th year of life. And so I decided to save up for it really for quite a long time. And again, I bit the bullet. So if you get offended easily, I will have other videos coming out that you can enjoy. So without much further ado, this is the dust bag. It doesn't come in a box, which I was kind of like, what? I wanted a box. I don't know why. But it is, hallelujah, hallelujah. This is the Givenchy Antigona. This is the small, and I got it in a beautiful peacock blue. This is a nice teal blue color. For the longest, I wanted it in either a black or a nice tan color, but I have so many black bags, and I have a tan colored bag that I wear all the time. That is my staple, is my Alexander Wang Emile, which I actually did a video on last year, I believe. So I can link that video somewhere. But I didn't want to get just another tan bag or just another black bag. And when I saw this, I bought this online off of essence.com on Black Friday. And when I saw it, I fell in love with the color. It was either this or the oxblood color, which is still on their website if you are interested. But I don't know, there was just something about this blue that spoke to me. I don't have any blue bags. It is just so pretty. So I decided to take a risk. The good thing with the website is that it does offer free return. So if I didn't like the color IRL, I could have easily just returned it and I would have gotten the oxblood color. So yeah, this is the Givenchy Antigona in small. It does come in 3 different sizes. There's the small, the medium, which is slightly larger, and then the mini. Mini bags, I've learned, actually can fit a lot of items in it. But I wanted something that can fit my iPad. I wanted something that I can go to work with. I wanted something that I can easily travel with, that can hold a lot but not be such a huge bag, if that makes sense. It is approximately 11 inches in length, 9 inches in height, and then about less than 7 inches or 6.75 in width. It does have a 4-inch handle drop. It is, I mean, during the winter time, if you're wearing a big puffy coat, or if I'm wearing a big puffy coat, I can't necessarily, I mean, I can, but it won't be the most comfortable to wear on the crook of the arm. But it is a handle, like, yeah, it's a handle bag. So I would carry it on my hands rather than the crook of my arm. And it does come with a detachable strap. Now, when the bag first came out, I believe the strap wasn't detachable, which kind of annoyed me at the time. So I'm so happy I waited, because of course the designers modify bags as they go along. But this does come with and if you see me looking down, I'm just looking down at a few notes. It does come with a 32-inch strap, but when you hook it on, it is a 13-inch drop. So that is something to keep in mind. So this is the bag with the handle on top of it, or on the bag. As I mentioned, it is a 32-inch strap, but it becomes a 13-inch handle drop when you attach the strap and if you want to carry it on your shoulders. It does have the logo plaque at the face. It's very small, triangular. That's another reason why I love this bag, is because it's not like in your face logos. This is pretty subtle. If I were to hold it on the back, no one would know really what bag this is unless you're someone who likes it. Now, the biggest difference for me is with all of my bags, I typically prefer gold hardware because I pretty much only wear gold. But this has silver hardware, so that's different for me, but I quite like it. The only other bag, or the only other style that I like in this one, would be the black with gold hardware. But I don't mind if it's silver hardware. It doesn't really matter to me at this point. This is in the sugar goat skin, and again, it is a peacock blue. So basically, this kind of leather is a little bit more durable than the calfskin. The calfskin scratches easily, and I'm not someone who's precious with my bags really. I like having bags with a more tougher leather. It's a little bit more durable. It can sort of get banged up a little bit. I like my bags to be lived in, but obviously not too lived in. And then on the bottom, it does have the leather studs at the base, or the leather feet, but it's not going to be like a metal hardware. I like that it's not a metal or some sort of hardware, because it doesn't make the bag too heavy. I love my Alexander Wang bags, but they're all pretty heavy, and because of the metal and all of the hardware that it has on it. So the bag, when empty in and of itself, is heavy. This one is not too heavy. This is about 2.5 pounds when empty. So that's something to keep in mind when you are looking at this bag, or if you've been looking at it, is that it's 2.5 pounds without anything inside of it. So, and it is pretty spacious, so it's easy to just keep dumping things in there from all of the research that I've been doing and how many times I've stocked the bag. All right, so when you empty the bag, it does have a canvas lining. It is black on the inside with the same peacock blue stitching and along the interior pocket. One thing to keep in mind is that the leather is pretty stiff with this bag, so the opening isn't just going to flop open, which is something that I actually quite like. Since I live in New York, it's so easy for people to just kind of like go in your bag and steal your shit. So I like something where it's not going to just be all out in the open and exposed. That can make it pretty difficult from what I've seen of people who easily want to go in and out, but I'm not someone who's constantly fiddling around in my bag, so I'm not too worried about it. And I just love the clean lines of this bag. I love more structured bags. I like things that are clean, that are somewhat classic. I don't like anything that's too floppy, so that's one reason why I loved this bag, because of just the shape of it. It's just got very clean lines. I know it's been around for several years and it was super trendy at one point, but I feel like this is a style that I won't necessarily get tired of, or that I won't get bored of easily. So I'm so excited about this new purchase. I want to do a what's in my bag eventually, but I'm so excited about this purchase. If you are looking into getting it, I hope all of the specs and all of the dimensions that I've just said really help you out. But I'm happy with the color selection. This is my baby. I'm so happy with it. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions about this bag, if you have it, let me know. Definitely leave a comment below telling me what you think of it. If you do have any questions, I'm more than happy to try to answer it. But I look forward to spending 2018 with my new baby. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys haven't subscribed already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.